Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. What do these have in common? Microsoft 365, the most widely used work engagement platform in the entire world. So let's get straight into it. Excel is split into two parts, ribbon and sheet. The ribbon is split into different Excel commands, which allows us to perform different actions, which we'll get into soon. The sheet contains cells, where we can type numbers and letters into these cells. Within the workbook, we can add multiple sheets by either clicking on the plus button or using the shortcut hotkey Shift plus F11. We can also rename our sheets by either double clicking on it or right click and click on Rename. Basic syntax. We can perform calculations within a cell similar to that of a calculator as follows. To do this, we first select a cell, type the equal sign, select a cell or type value, enter an arithmetic operator, select another cell or type value, and press enter. For example, we can type equals 2 plus 2 in order to calculate the answer to be 4. Excel ranges. Now here we're looking into how to select cells. There are 4 different methods of selecting cells. Selecting one cell can be used by clicking with the left mouse button or navigate by using arrows. Selecting multiple cells can be selected by holding the Control or Command key on the Mac, and once done, let go of it and have your selection. Selecting a column. Now columns are selected by left clicking it. This will select all cells in the sheet related to that column. Selecting a row. Rows are selected by left clicking it. This will select all the cells in the sheet related to that row. Select entire sheet. In order to select the entire sheet, the entire spreadsheet can be selected by clicking the triangle in the top left corner of the spreadsheet. Or you can slowly do it by hitting Ctrl A for Windows or Command A for Mac. Another method of selecting range is to enter the range values in the name box. The range is set by first entering the cell reference for the top left corner, then the bottom right corner. The range is made up of these two as coordinates.